Hi, my name is Andrea, and I am 11 years old. I live in Washington, D.C., America, and today I'm going to show how to make a fortune teller. Fortune tellers are fun and easy to make, and you can play with them when you're at school at recess with friends. So when you play with fortune tellers, you choose first a color, and then you spell out the numbers. The number of letters. For example, for blue it would be B-L-U-E. Then you choose a number, count out the number. For example, 2, right there, 1, 2, and then this time you choose another number. And for example, like 1, you open it like this, and you choose the one that's on the one side. For example, here you will travel to space, and that would be the fortune. Okay, so first you're going to fold it like this. And then the other side as well. Like that. Then you're going to do these tips only to the center right there. You see that line? Do that for each of them. Here as well. Only to the center. Every single one of them. Now, you're going to flip it over. You're going to fold these corners on like this, into the center as well, only. All around again. Now you're going to just do this just so that it's kind of like so that it's got the folds. Okay, so now I'm gonna fold it to this side. Pockets right here, see? There's little pockets. You put your hands right there in the pockets, and it'll kind of shape itself. And then you've got a fortune teller. Then open it up back like this, and with a pen you can write all the, well, first, like the example has, the colors, as you can see right here. So first you do like, let's say, black. You can, just for like a nice thing, you can just put the color underneath. I'm going to skip the others just so that it goes faster. Then you're going to flip it over. You're going to write in the numbers. So like, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and it can be like, it could be different It could be like letters if you want, but yeah, you can put whatever you want on those. Then inside you'll write the fortunes right here. See? On those spots. So for example, I don't know, you will be rich. Like that. And then skip the others, but yeah, that's pretty much how it would go. So now I'm going to teach you how to play with the fortune teller. Just a bit of advice for the person giving the fortune. Make sure you put your thumb and your pointer fingers like this in them so that it's easier to open and close like that. And our guest will be Naoko. She will be playing with me.
Hi, Andrea.
So choose a color, any color.
Blue.
Okay, blue. So I'm gonna count out the letters. B, L, U, E. Okay, now choose a number. 1, 2, 3, or 4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Choose another number.
2.
Okay, so now I'm going to open this. Open it like this. You will be very lucky within your life.
Oh, that's what I want.
Nice, cool. And that's how you play with a fortune teller.
Oh, this is fun, Andrea. Thank you. This is a diagram for folding a fortune teller. As this diagram shows, you can draw a face on it and play with it too. If you have not subscribed to my Origami YouTube channel yet, it would be nice if you subscribe. I periodically upload videos of children teaching origami, children from diverse cultures and countries enjoying origami, and origami rap song. In the future, I will upload the videos of teachers and other adults exploring how to use origami for educational and play activities, and craft, gift, and card ideas using origami. I hope you enjoyed a video by Andrea. She did a great job. This fortune teller seems to be really enjoyable. Goodbye.